Hey guys, I look crazy right now because I'm gonna do the box braids. So I have my hair here. Let me show you which one I got. I got the pre-stretch expressions hair. I hate stretching it myself, so don't judge me. Yeah, I get the pre-stretch one. I think it's okay, 30 inches. Yeah, and yeah, they're pretty easy maintenance hair. And so this is my hair before I deep condition it and stuff, and then I just put a leave-in for it to be moisturized. And now I'm gonna part it and do my front half parts first because I like to get the front over with first, and I'll come back. Actually, I should show y'all doing that, obviously, right? I'm stupid. I think blue look good. My hair looks dry, but I promise you it's not. And I look a little nuts right now, but honestly, I don't really care. My lips are dry though. That's something I do care about. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start parting my hair. And my hair has grown so much, y'all. Like, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna start parting it. I don't want to talk too much. I look so pale. In the middle, hold on. In the middle, as I get the front half of my hair. This one, Loki, has to be perfect to me because y'all can see that part, like when I finish my braids, you know.
Got hit in your head that maybe you're wrong.
No.
Do you not get it?
I don't get it. I know I'm right.
I don't like it ugly though. Oh, I'm like making it worse and worse every time.
Not 2 large fries and 2 6-feet.
Okay guys, I think this is the straightest I could get it. So like this is the front part, if you guys get what I mean. And this is the back part that I'm gonna do later. I think that part's way harder, so I split it. I'll do this side first actually because y'all can see that spot. And then start parting my parts here. Or whatever. I'm gonna come back. Yeah, when I come back, I'll start breaking my, like the hairs that I'm gonna use for the parts apart, and like I'll probably put them somewhere around here so I can just grab and go. low-key, I anticipated these to take me that long, but at the same time I didn't, because I thought I was gonna like move quick fast, but honestly I'm not. I feel like time's going by really like slow. I don't braid like too low because like I said, I'm probably gonna curl the ends anyways. And yeah, so this one braid took me 8 minutes. 8 times 12.
So let's get started.
I got a whole lot of money. Bitches got me plumbing. Bottle keep popping while the man whole tracking. It's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. I'm still in the club. There you go. Rolling up that loud shit, my way.
Hey guys, so I finally finished my braids. It only took me 10 years. I'm getting the water ready and I clean my pots, so don't call me dirty. And I actually just thought of this today, but I'm gonna add some oils to the boiling water. I think that's gonna help with the smell and the feeling of the braids. And in the beginning of the video I said I was gonna try to do curls at the end, and I did it before with a pencil and it worked. So I'm gonna do it again. E-oil. I got this off of Amazon and it came in a pack of 2. I really forgot how much it was. I'll link it down below in case y'all want it. So I'm just put a few drops. I put more vitamin E oil because I feel like that's more, you know, nourishing. This is peppermint and this helps with a lot, so I'm just gonna put a few drops of that. And then tea tree. And then that's it, because I don't want to add too much stuff either. So I don't think that would help anybody. But just like a little bit, you know. wanna bring it to you. Okay, I finally freaking finished. So the curls look like this, and they're really shrunk up, so usually I just like pull on them, but I love them. I think those oils that I did a big difference, because when I tell you it's so soft and it smells like tea tree, like they don't stink. Like I feel like they get stinky. Like braiding hair just smells weird, period, like, you know, and they have all that gel in it and stuff. So I think these are really cute. Obviously they're kind of uneven too, because I don't know, maybe I'm just stupid. Well, some of them dropped already because I did them wrong, and then I started getting better as I did it. But yeah, this is how they came out. I have a lot. Okay guys, so if you guys like this video, please let me know if I wasn't detailed enough, because I'll be fine with explaining anything in the comments if you guys have questions, because this is just how I do them. I learned from watching videos and just practicing. Yeah guys, I would just leave it there. So, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week, motherfuckers.
Put the needle on the record.